Alright, come out with your hands up. We know you're in there. Garrett Woods? I thought you were dead. Well, that's because you idiots don't know that I'm not him. You have no idea of how well the master of shapeshifting is. Hey, my name is Stripe. I am the mastermind of shapeshifting. You don't mess with the master of shapeshifting. Because any power, let me rephrase that. As I was saying, any power you can have, you will always achieve it by earning it with the hard work you do. No villain ever sounds like that. You're right, because I was being sarcastic. Agent Shaw, are you alright? I'm fine, Agent Chuck. Like, can't you believe that mission we had to do to stop Woods and Youngblood? We had to kill them because they were quite worse than Whiteball and Gainer. Actually, what I thought, that Whiteball was the worst because he, sabotaged the controls of my mind. Very funny. No, seriously, I had to get surgery on my mind to get it fixed. Okay. Agent Scoop, Agent Frigid, I'd like to introduce one of the new recruits here. This agent's gonna work with you. Meet Jason Rocket. Nice to meet you. And you. Nice to meet you too. It's nice to meet you too, Rocket. Agent Rocket. Or may we call you Jason? Sure. I just learned the laws of nature. That's how I became a member here at Scale. I learned that all animals must not be killed. And the only way animals can die is that they die of nature. Agent Coleman, we just got a report from 2 of our security guards. 2 of them are down. We have a new villain in town. What? Yep, they say his name is Stripe, who is a very master of shape-shifting. That is not a good law of nature. That's a power. Right. Shape-shifting is not a law of nature. It's a power. A power that may cause damage and cause confusion. Hello. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you something, Rocket. Sheriff Black, meet one of my new recruits, Jason Rocket. Jason Rocket, this is Sheriff Black. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Okay, you can let go. I learned about the laws of nature here. I know, including shape-shifting. Did you not just hear me? Shape-shifting is not a law of nature. It's a power that is made by hard work. Agent Maid? Come in, Agent Maid. Go ahead. I have a very uncontrollable situation here. Can you help me out? On my way. I'll be right back. What's the problem? I want you out of here right now. This is private property. Oh, not a chance. Black dog. Whoa. What's going on here? Me and Agent Early are trying to ask these guys to get off our property, but they obviously won't listen. Why would you want to be on here anyway? Because we want to fight? Whoa. And you! Should have known it was you, Agent James. Mm-hmm. Yes. Boys, you know what to do. You got it, Agent James. You're next, Agent James. Oh, shit. Gotcha. Ow. Ow. Got him.